Welcome to National Heroes Institute, our school here in Kananga, Leyte.
I am very proud and happy and honored to school on such institution, the National Heroes Institute. It teaches us not only what we learned in books, but also what we will learn in our life, and teaches us how to have faith, more faith in God.
The mission of National Heroes Institute is to provide quality education with Christian values, not only for the rich but also to the poor. It is our mission to make our school accessible, especially to the poor.
The school is different from the other schools because it is a Christian school, and we are offered Christian education for free, and so it will help us acquire more values, improve ourselves, and bring us closer to God.
Typhoon Yolanda really caused great damages to our school. Most of our school buildings were totally damaged. The whole roof of our buildings were blown away, and all our equipment were damaged, especially the library. We lost all our book collections, and our computers, even though they were only limited, but the few computers we had were also destroyed. That's why we really need help, any help we can get from anybody who is willing to help us, because we want to continue our mission, that is to provide quality Christian education to this community.
Devastated our province, especially here in Leyte. It totally affected not just me but the whole community. Especially for me as a student, it totally had made a big change, especially when I'm going to school. The storm was so strong, so the damage was great, and actually it caused damage to our classrooms.
When I saw the buildings that were destroyed, the roofs of our buildings were blown away, I was so discouraged, I was so hopeless, and I was so sad and worried as to where I get the help.
Okay, this used to be one of the classrooms here, and this building used to accommodate around 8 classes, from the freshman and second year, third year. We have 8 classrooms here. Over there, it's the place where our classroom used to be. So this used to be our library, and now we are using it as classroom, and that's all that's left of our collection. And what is left are all wet also, so cannot really be used. The books are sticking together. Yolanda may have left us roofless and most of us homeless, but it did not leave us hopeless. We are full of hope. That's why we are planning to rebuild our school.
My name is Chris. I work for the Peace Builders community, and I was sent here from Davao City to be based in Armagh and to help with the Typhoon Yolanda rehabilitation project. It really struck me that NHI, being a private school, really caters to the needs of the poor people, especially the farmers who cannot afford to send their children to school. Back in 1994, when I was enrolling in high school, my parents, like most of the parents, they were also firm believers of quality education, and they believe that private schools can provide that. But we were very poor, that my parents could hardly, pay my tuition fees, and every month we had to give promissory notes or sell something to our teachers, and that has really set me different. And I was bullied because I was poor, and that was really terrible. And now here's NHI, a Christian school, a private school that want to help the poor, and that's why I really committed to helping this, because I wish back then there was NHI that understood my needs. I wish there was NHI that wanted to serve the poor, and I wish there was NHI that shared the vision of my parents in providing quality education. I'd like to invite everyone who wants to become part of this advocacy, this campaign. NHI needs 12 more classrooms, and if you can help by adopting one classroom or by providing books for their libraries, school supplies, computers, playground, the elementary pupils need a playground that will help them become more active and proactive in their studies.
We really thank you all for helping and for sharing the burden with us. It helps a lot to know that people care and that we are not alone in facing this problem. We can rise up again with you.